Hello friends, how are you? As the government has introduced a new education policy and focused on introducing coding as a vocational subject for elementary classes from 6th to 8th, many marketing giants and mushroom centers have emerged to reap the benefit of this opportunity. Parents are in fixes that how to cope up with the situation. What will happen if they will not give the extra education of coding to their children? How children will cope up with the market in the future? What to do if the child has already completed class 8? This video is especially for those parents and guardians who are in confusion. This video is also for those who want to test their skills and interest in programming. This video will give you an entire idea about coding and will let you know how to apply for it. Of course, you will also get a free certificate after completing the rounds of games as mentioned in the video. Follow the instructions carefully and enjoy the coding with games. Hello friends, I am Vikas and you are watching Technical Vikas 7. I would like to thanks to CodeCombat for such an interactive platform to enrich the children with programming capabilities. So let's start first, but if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe now by pressing the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. Let's continue. This is the platform. You can see at the left side there is a hero and it is mentioning move right, and at the right side you can see there is an option for the coding, and I'm trying to do some sort of a coding so that this hero should move right, and in this way we have to clear the rounds. So you have to collect these diamonds, these gems, and you have to write the coding over here like hero dot move right, so that this hero is going to move right, move down, move up. So that way this is a very simple round, and I hope you can see that it has been written over here, avoid the spikes. So this is self-explanatory. It is explaining you that how you can move over here and collect these gems. Once you are able to collect all these gems, the round is clear and you have to move to the next round. Even you can see the menu over here. The game menu has been mentioned and the methods are been given over here like hero.move down, hero.move left, hero.move right, hero.move up. So you are supposed to use these methods only to make the complete game. Once the complete game is completed, then you are shifted to the next round, and same way you have to clear the second round. So here I am writing few options like move right, move up, move left, and whenever I am trying to run the complete program, it has been incompleted because I have not written the complete code. So here you can see now I have written the complete code, and this hero has collected all the gems, and once you are done you can see the arrow button is showing you that now you have done it and the goal is successful. So you can click on it, and this way you can move to the next level or next round. So this way basic rounds are there, and let's see that what is there in the next round. This is again the more interesting one. You have gems also in this, and you have auguries also over here. So now you have to protect your hero from these auguries also, and you have to collect the gems also. So see here I have written one instruction that hero.move right, and I tried to execute it, run it, so the goal is incomplete. Let me show you few more options that we are writing more options over here. Move right again, and see now what actually happens. You have not paid the attention of this augury, and he attacked you. So this way it's a very interesting game. So you just keep on giving the instructions, keep on writing the instructions. This instruction which you are actually writing is actually what you do in Python. Python actually works in the same manner. So if you are comfortable in making a complete logic as the game is suggesting you, and you can complete all the rounds, so I think this is the best option, the best way you can learn it, and you'll have the idea that whether you are capable of making the logics or not. So this is giving you a good idea about the coding of the Python. So okay, I hope you have learned a lot, and I hope that it's very easy for you to do it. So complete these options. Once you will complete it, then after that you can get the certificate also. So few rounds are there, and once you have done it, after completing it, you'll get the certificate also. So let me complete this round for you first, and quickly let's move at how you have to do this. Okay, see, now we have completed it, the work has been done, and the goal is successful. So I'll not wait much, let's click on the done, and let's come to the main option now. So see, once you have completed it, after completed it, what you have to do is that I have given the links in the description box. I have given the links for class 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 6th student have to click on the 6th link, and same way for 7, 8 and 9. And once you have clicked it, so you have to give your complete details. Once you have given the details, the round will start for you. So after joining, play the game and finish all the rounds. And once you have completed, write in the comment box of this video that I have completed and drop your mail ID. So if you have completed it and you have dropped your mail ID, so we'll send you your certificate. You'll get the certificate, and if you want to play further, you can also write your comments. Children, do write us that how you like this video. Are you able to learn something from it or not? But do remember not to forget to subscribe the channel. Share it with your friends. Have a good day. Thank you.